Hi guys, today I'm decided to show you how to join two granny squares because my next project is making animal blanket, so it's very important to learn how to join squares correctly. Okay, before we start, if you not subscribed my channel yet, please press the subscribe button and click the bell icon. I show you my favorite stitch to join granny squares. This really nice finishing. Let's get started. First we need to put the both squares, make sure perfect lining up, and I'm using pink color yarn to make a stitch and 4mm crochet hook. Let's get started. First I need slip knot. Keep it your yarn all the time your front. Go through the first square corner, back stitch. I'm using back loop. It's going corner back loop. I think you can see. And another square back loop as well. Go through this both loops and pull it up pink color yarn. Again go through the first square back loop, next loop, another one is back loop 2, and pull up this pink color yarn and slip stitch. Again same way, all the time using black back loop. Make sure you need to keep it all the time. There's stitch yarn. I'm using pink color yarn. This one all the time you need to keep it under the both squares front of you. I think you can see clearly. Go through the back loop, first one and second one, second square back loop 2, and pull it up and slip stitch. I show you two closer. Back stitch and go through the back stitch and pull it up. When you're doing this really easy and nice finishing. I hope bring in my next video this how to make this animal blanket. If you want to see my finished blanket, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. I hope next crochet video begin my finished blanket. Thank you very much for watching.